Hello friends, welcome back once again with upcoming bike Hero Super Splendor BS6 Fi. Its ex-showroom price approx 67,000. Its mileage approx 65 kmpl. Its engine 124.7cc air-cooled 4-stroke OHC and BH6. Its headlight comes with halogen. Tail light comes with bulb light. Its maximum power 8 kW at the rate 7500 rpm. Maximum torque 10.6 Nm at the rate 6000 rpm. Tire comes with tubeless MRF tire, 18 inches alloy wheel. Hero Super Splendor front suspension comes with telescopic shock absorber and rear suspension comes with 5-step adjustable hydraulic shock absorber. Its braking integrated braking system. Its technology used i3S and seat height 799 mm and fuel tank capacity 12 liter fuel. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, then please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.